Hello everyone, Anand back again. As you all know, I live in Chennai. Currently, Tamil Nadu, is going to take another lockdown. So we are going to extend one more week, hopefully, to prevent this second wave, which is spreading just like that across the state. So government is taking a lot of steps to prevent, and people of the state as well are trying to support as much as possible, but we need to go a long way to really support the government request. Government is making continuous appeal to the public. Having said this, this lockdown can be used potentially for more and more. One is to take care of the family members and ourselves, and if we find time, if we also have a good mood to explore new things, possibly we can read books and we can explore quite a lot. While sharing this insight, I also wanted to share somebody whom I know very closely for a long time. He's a man who's a voracious reader. He reads quite a lot of management books. He's basically a management expert, marketing expert, and he reads books. He also writes. He's an author as well. His second book is also getting released very shortly. What I find something fascinating with this gentleman is he reads, he assimilates quite a lot of stuff in the books, from the books, and also he takes notes meticulously, and he prepares sort of a snippet or insight from the book that whatever he captured, and he make it as a very interesting narrative out of that, and he will share it in LinkedIn typically. And one of the things which is really fascinating is he actually gives away whatever the knowledge he has acquired and gathered from reading books. Many of us read books, of course, but how many of us do we really have time to allocate and then take the notes, put it in a proper perspective with his or her value addition, and then present it back to more number of people so that they can cherish when they buy this book or any book for that matter to read and take it forward. So this particular gentleman is such an interesting personality. He wants to give away as much as possible whatever he has learned, and he's having very high reputation as well. Hence, I thought I'll share this gentleman to you. This gentleman is none other than Mr. Rajesh Srinivasan. The Marketing Success Formula's author. The book is called Marketing Success Formula, and his second book is getting very shortly released. I also wrote, the testimonial for that book. Privileged to write testimonial for his second book. Through this podcast, I wish Rajesh Srinivasan and his wonderful work of sharing and caring, helping people to cherish the insight that is, sharing through various, insights and articles. Recently, he has actually created 5 slide presentation about the book which he has recently read. The book is written by Mr. Prakash Seshadri, the corporate yogi of the book The Spiritual CEO, and he presented so well. Mr. Rajesh has presented so well in his LinkedIn post. Probably you can go and search Rajesh Srinivasan. You will get to know quite a lot of interesting insights from Rajesh, especially the marketing and marketing strategy perspective. So I thought I'll take this privilege and opportunity to wish people like Mr. Rajesh to share the knowledge which definitely will empower more people to build their career and profession. Thank you very much for your patient hearing, and I request all of you to kindly take care of yourself and your family members. Sparingly go out. Of course, once lockdown starts, further lockdown starts in Tamil Nadu, I think everything is restricted. So this too shall pass. We will bounce back with much more spirit to take our life forward. Thank you and take care. Goodbye.